Hello and welcome. Today we'll be discussing on another effective way of losing weight. Belly fats and all the rest of it. Every part of your body will be reduced only if you can follow it strictly for 5 days. You will see the results. Please, if you're a breastfeeding mother, don't take this. If you are pregnant mother, don't take this as well. Please, what you need to do is to allow yourself, when you're through with breastfeeding, you can join others, okay? Though I have other videos on how you can lose fat even while breastfeeding your baby, okay? It doesn't have any side effects. So if you want to check it out, you can check in the description box. If you have questions, please don't forget to drop it. Thumbs up for us if you love this video, and subscribe if you love what you're doing in this channel. By so doing, you'll be encouraging us to do more. Thanks and remain blessed. So you all know that to gain weight is easy, but to lose it is one of the most difficult things to do. But if you can be consistent with this particular tea or recipe, we can achieve this in less than 1 week. Yes, I lost some kgs, if not up to 5 kgs under 1 week. So what do we need for this? Let's go. We need our Lipton, yellow label Lipton. That is the first thing we'll be needing for this. So you can get it anywhere, Superstore, anywhere you can get it. It's very, very easy to get, very cheap to get. Another thing you can get is our ginger. We all know ginger. You can use it for detoxification. You can use it to, it's one of the great spices you can use to cook. So ginger is not a new thing. Everybody, in fact, we all know about ginger, okay? Then the another thing we'll be needing is our cucumber. Cucumber is one of the fruits in vogue right now. This is native cucumber. You can see it's small but very, very effective. I didn't say other ones are not effective, no, but this one is a native one. So I love using this. I love chewing this, okay? So the first thing we need to do is to boil water and put in our cup. Please, you have to use a bigger cup. You're not using small cup. Use cup that can contain up to 35 to 75 cl of water. Add 2 bags of your Lipton tea. Just 2. That is for a, yep, you are gonna add 2. Only 2 is enough for that particular time. You're gonna do this morning and evening. So after adding the 2 together, you can allow it to sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes, but don't allow it to get cold, very cold. Blend the ginger and the cucumber together, okay? You can crush it with your hand blender. You can use your hand grater. You can use whatever you need. Please don't add water while blending. Don't add water to it. The water in cucumber is enough, okay? That is enough. Don't add any other water to it. By the time you are done blending, you will get something of this nature. Mix them together if you want. If you don't want, 2 of them are going the same place anyway. I said please don't add water. If you're a breastfeeding mother, don't do this. When you are done mixing them together, blending them rather, you have to remove the tea bag from the cup or whatever. Just remove it. I said at least 35 cl and above. I'm using 75 cl of water for this, okay? When you're done, after 30 minutes removing it, you're gonna add one more thing to this. So follow me, let's see it. If you still want to press it with your hands, fine. If not, you can just remove it and then bring the mixture together to add to it your blended cucumber and ginger. Add everything to the cup of your tea bag, okay? When you add it together, you mix it very, very well. You have to mix it very, very well. Remember I said Lipton, ginger and cucumber all together. You can take it like this if you can. If you cannot, you are to bring your strainer and separate the chaff from the tea. We are almost there. When you're done, please make sure you stir them together very, very well so you don't remove anything. Separate the 2 things and you are left with this particular tea. You can add your sweetener, that is honey, to it. If not, you can take it like this. Take morning and evening, first thing and last in the night. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, ask your questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in my next video. Love you.